Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G32 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display. Now scroll down again. Tap on Display Refresh Rate and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. I will go with this one. So when I click, as you can see, display refresh rate of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!